Welcome viewers. Is yet another episode just as Smart Social TV. If you are there watching this video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so that you can be the first person to receive all the videos that I'll be uploading. Now today I want to take you through a certain question that I was asked by one of my viewers. Is all about distance, speed and time. Now it goes this way. A passenger's train left the station 2 hours before the good train started the journey. The train traveled in opposite direction. The good train traveled at 56 kilometers per hour for 9 hours to reach the destination. After the 2 hours, the distance between the trains was 448 kilometers. Find the speed of the passenger's train. Now, let me do this. We have two stations, station A and we have station B. The passenger's train, because we have two types of train, we have passenger's train and we have goods train that were traveling on an opposite direction, that were traveling in an opposite direction. Now, the goods train started actually late. Passenger's train started 2 hours before goods train started its journey. Now, as you can see here, the goods train traveled at 56 kilometers per hour for 9 hours. So, goods train used a speed of 56 kilometers per hour. Time taken, it is actually 9 hours. 9 hours to travel from point B to point A. Using this, we'll be able to find the total distance from A to B or from B to A. And I normally advise my learners to draw a triangle. Put here distance, here is speed, and here it is time. Put here division, also here division, and here multiplication. In case you can be told to find the distance, hide that distance, write that distance, it will be speed times time is equals to speed times time. In case you can be told to find the speed, hide that speed. That speed, it will be distance over time. Distance over time. In case you are told to find the time, hide that time, and it will be distance divided by speed. Distance over speed. So these are formulas pertaining a speed, distance, and actually time. Now, using this formula, we are able to get distance from B to A or A to B. And you all know to find distance is equals to speed times time. Speed, as you can see here, it is 56. Multiplied by time, that is 9 hours. You get 504 kilometers. So distance from point A all the way to point B is 504 kilometers. 504 kilometers distance from A to B. And as you can see the statement here, after the 2 hours, these 2 hours, the distance between the two trains was actually 448 kilometers. So distance from here to here was 448 kilometers. 448 kilometers. So we have to find this distance here. You see? So we'll take the total distance, that is 504 kilometers, minus this one, distance from here to here, that is 448 kilometers, and we'll be able to get 56 kilometers. So distance from here to here, it is 56 kilometers. Now, if this passenger's train can travel 56 kilometers in 2 hours, what about a whole journey? Now, 2 hours, 56 kilometers. What about our whole journey? That is 504 kilometers. Cross multiply, it is 2 multiplied by 504 over 56. By here 1, by here 9. Answer is equals to 18 hours. So, passenger's train will take 18 hours to travel from station A to station B. And we have been told to find the speed of the passenger's train. And we all know the distance is equals to 504 kilometers, distance from here to here. And the total time taken for passengers train to travel from A to B, time taken was actually 18 hours. Using this statement, we are able to get the speed, and I've said speed is equals to distance over time. Distance over time. Speed is equal to distance, 504 kilometers, over time, that is 18 hours. By here 1, by here it is 28 kilometers per hour. So the answer is equals to 28 kilometers per hour. The question actually was as simple as that. So the speed used by passenger train was 28 kilometers per hour. 28 kilometers per hour.